Hi friends, I'm Debbie Surt. I spent many years teaching young children guided by the belief that every child needs to feel valued. I learned early on watching my sister struggle and seeing how easily a child can feel invisible. In my classroom, children learn through hands-on experiences, play, and collaboration. That's what drew me to IHUD and integral education. It confirmed what I had seen. Learning isn't mechanical. It's shaped by relationships and environment. I'm grateful to have had the opportunity to work with the IHUD team to create a Smartbook on integral education and its impact on classroom instruction. Integral education aligns with the natural process of human development. It helps children come to understand themselves as something larger, as part of a whole interconnected world.
Hello, my name's Amanda Green. I'm a professional couples counselor and a very proud member of IHUD, and I'm so excited to tell you about the book that we're writing, a huge team from all different disciplines across the globe and uniting to make this book because humanity needs this book. We are struggling right now in what seems to be a big ball of chaos and confusion and conflict and suffering, and so excited to tell you that the book has some answers as far as guidance and which direction to go and what your role in it is. And as it turns out, your role is a very special role. Humanity, or humans I should say, have a unique place in nature. We have the capacity to consciously build balance, harmony, and beauty in the world around us when we unite with a common goal. And we will see how this simple message applies across the board and can relate to pretty much any subject and context, and can't wait to share it with you. Please join us, click when you get the link, and come and see what it's all about. You won't regret it.
My name is Ernest Itzkovich, and I am very glad and happy to meet with you. Actually, I would like to talk about IHUD. IHUD is a very special organization of friends that is international organization that are willing to make our life better and much more joyful and much more happy. In particular, actually, I would like to mention my article regarding one global community engagement that it actually reflects the level of relationships and the level of friends that we have. I would like to share with you that this upcoming week I was invited actually to run a lecture, run a music performance, okay, with my accordion, and furthermore actually to have run a round table in 3 different languages. And this round table, it was an invitation from a friend of mine who is actually a manager of a program of adults in our community center in my neighborhood. And we are going to talk about every option and every good things that we are able to create together as friends, as community, as family, and the bottom line, to have a very nice and beautiful community engagement. This community engagement, okay, it works for everybody because the benefit goes to the friends, to the neighbors, to the community, to the society, to the environment, and definitely for global sustainability. So, looking forward for this opportunity. If you'd like to have the opportunity and you have the time, you're very welcome to go through my article. But most important, please browse our website, what is called IHUD World, okay, and you will see not only articles and my best friends from all over the world, but just you will see their miracles.
Hello, my name is Kathy Perello. I am a retired teacher of 30 years in the humanities department of a school in Erie, Pennsylvania. I have been a part of IHUD for about a decade now. Every minute of the work done in IHUD, which is the Institute for Humanities United Development, has been filled with beautiful colleagues, work, yes, but an intention to bring what we have studied to the world. IHUD integral education is a most special type of integral education. I think my main message for all of you is to say it is for all ages, even those of us entering our octogenarian years and on up from that. Please make a choice to consider the book that we will be publishing. It will be in a Smartbook type, and also other ways to read it. Please consider this. Thank you.